As Lord Rama returned from 14 years of exile, the city of Ayodhya lit with pride. The demon king Ravana fell to Lord Rama, who fought for right. As we light each diya, we pray that in every person wisdom reign, to cleanse our hearts of pride and pain. For Lord Rama's great tale reminds us that truth is strong and love is enduring and lifelong. So let the fireworks soar, let lamps shine bright, let wrongs fade away in Diwali's light. In every diya and in each prayer we say, Lord Rama's victory lives on today. Wishing everyone a very happy Deepavali.
Wishing everyone a very happy Diwali with these sweet delights.